All right, so next we got to compare the variation in two class sets for 5 number summaries for box plots. We got two sets of 100-meter running times. And so you could do this by hand. We could also do this in the calculator. I'll go ahead and tell you doing this in the calculator is going to be a lot easier. So how to do this in the calculator, you could just go to Stat, Enter, go to the top, press clear, press down, top, press clear, press down. And set 1, you're going to enter the data in there, 9.92, 9.97, 9.99, 10.01, 10.06, 10.07, 10.08, 10.10, 10.13, whoops, not 10.13, 10.13, 10.14, 10.15, 10.17, 10.17, 10.18, 10.21, 10.24, 10.26, 10.31, and 10.38. And then you can go over here, 9.89. I'm guessing this is 9.90, 9.98. Looks like I'm missing some decimals there. 10.05, 10.35, 10.41, 10.54, 76, 10.93, 10.98, 11.05, 11.21, missing a decimal there, 11.30, 11.46, 11.55. So it's tedious here. 11.81, 11.85, 11.87, and then 12. Okay, that took a lot of time. So for set 1, let's go ahead and go to Stat, Calc. We could do 2-bar stats actually here. This should give us what we need. L1's our X list, L2's our Y list. So set 1, that's going to be your X's. And so they should give us they did not give us a 5-number summary for that. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to do 1-bar stats. So set 1, we want a 5-number summary and then the box plot. So set 1, 5-number summary, the min, 9.92, Q1, 10.065, the median, 10.135, the Q3 is 10.195, and the max is 10.38. Okay. Now for set 2, I'll go to Stat, Calc, second 2. I got a minimum of 9.89, Q1, 10.38, median of 11.015, Q3 of 11.655, and a max of 12. Okay, I'll show you how to do this by hand. So how you do this by hand, I've got 20 values. I first find the medians. So the median, I cross off. I'm going to cross off 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. And so then the median is going to be right there between those two. That's your 10.135. Okay. There's your median. And then this splits it into 2 data sets. And so the Q1 is going to be median of the lower end. So median of the lower end. So I'm going to cross, I can just trace them with my finger if I want. 3, 4, and it's going to be in between here. So 10.065, there's your Q1. Here's your median, and then the Q3 is the median of the upper end. So there, you got 3 there. It's going to be in between those two. 10.195. Okay, there's your Q3. Okay, and then kind of the same thing there for the set 2, the 10th one. So I'll cross off 4, 4, and then 5, 5. Oops, 6, 1, 1, 3, and then this looks to be right there. So that's the median. You can also call this Q2. This is taking a while. Then your Q1, the median of the lower end, 10.38. And then Q3 is the median of your upper end. So 3 off, 3 off. So it'd be right in between these two here. Okay, that'd be 11 or 0.655. Okay. All right, now we're going to do box plots. Now, we're not looking necessarily for outliers here. So like traditionally, if you're doing a box plot, you might, check and see if there's any outliers. I don't appear to be outliers anyways, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a number line. I guess we could call this the time down here. So I'll start with 9, and then I'll go let's go by 9.5 here, 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12. And basically when you do a box plot or box and whisker plot, you're going to graph the 5-number summary. So 9.92 for set 1, 9.92 will be right here. 10.065, so it's right there. So from the minimum to Q1, you do a whisker. Starting at Q1's your box, 10.135. That looks like about right there. 10.195 looks like right there. And 10.38. So this is a very compact box here. So, I'm sorry, not 10.38 on the outside. 10.195 is the end of your box. So that would be about right here. So, and then you've got a median right there, and then 10.38 is right there. So there's your set 1. So it's a very small box. And then for set 2, the minimum is 9.81. This one appears to be more spread out. And then 10.38 is your Q1. So that's equivalent to that. And then 11.015, 11.655, and then 12. So you go from minimum to Q1 with a whisker, Q1 through Q3. You do a box, do a vertical segment at Q2, and then you've got your box plot.